Everyone, welcome to another episode, another day of updating my keyboard. As you may have seen right now, I not only had these two additional bad boys, but I also got these two additional custom made for me in additional to this. And anyone knows what this is. And what came in today is two Sakura's keypads here. Obviously this is a little big, so I might have to put this somewhere else. I mean, this hasn't stopped these two guys. I didn't realize the profile of these are different, but still works. So yeah, I'm thinking of continuing this theme that I had going on initially. Just I thought this would look really cool with the cherry blossom trees here. And I'm thinking of getting some more koi fish in the future to have some kind of like pond effect going on here. And today, I just want to congratulate this man right here. Honestly, I just opened his package. Like, man, the packaging on this guy, Mr. Ma, was superb. Like, it's beautiful. I'm going to follow him after this video, and everything is so nice and clean. I just tear this open, so the package I want is in here. And it smells as well. If you smell, it smells like some kind of candy. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Threw me off a little bit there, but it's quite nice. It's quite nice. So yeah, I'm gonna open this and see how it looks. So here we are. Just open it. It smells really. I don't like the scent. I'm not gonna lie to you, but we have our final good looking. Again, I'm not sure what the vibe is for this keyboard. I wasn't thinking straight. Holy crap! Look at this. Is that, bro? Holy crap, that is creepy as hell. I love it. Let me just try to get a little focus there. Really nice, really nice. Yeah, it's interesting keycap. Very interesting. Yeah, and like I said, it smells. It smells like, I guess it came directly from the thing. But yeah, this is probably the best custom keypad I've seen in terms of like the details. Something unique that you don't really see. It's not like it's on top of like a stationary keycap. It's actually the keycap itself, which I really like, and it could literally belong anywhere. There's no specific profile necessarily. Well, yeah, we'll see. I'm thinking of putting it for now somewhere here until I get like a nicer keyboard. You know, change the vibe. I guess, you know, this kind of ruins the whole vibe of this keyboard. So yeah, I might just exchange it for the see how it looks from here, you know what I mean? So yeah, see how it goes. Man, I'm so obsessed with this. This is so cool. It's coming together very nicely. A new member to the team. My logo. I'm not even sure what the vibe is here, but you'll see as time goes on.
Do you know the way? What does it even mean anymore?